Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to apply to become a Canva creator. You can earn by uploading templates, graphics and more. Just open your browser. Then search for Canva Creators Program. Click the official Canva Creators page and log into your Canva account. Now, on the Creators page, find and click Apply Now. You will need to provide your name and info, what you create, and your design experience, and of course, portfolio. Now you can add your best work like social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, etc. Quality matters more than quantity. Now double check everything, then click Submit. Canva will review your application. This may take a few days to weeks. Just make clean modern designs, follow trends, use readable fonts and avoid copying others. You can upload designs to Canva and people use them, you earn money. Not everyone gets accepted and you can improve your portfolio and reapply later. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.